Hello friends, welcome back to the Code Generator. Myself Kritika Shah, and today we will learn about an interesting series or sequence of numbers known as Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? This series starts with 0 and 1 as its first two terms, and the next term is equal to the sum of its previous two terms, and thus the series becomes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Let me explain you. Here you can see the first term is 0 and the second term is 1, and the third term becomes the sum of its previous two terms, that is the first term and the second term, which were 0 and 1. So 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Thus third term is 1, and in the similar manner the fourth term also is the sum of its previous two terms, that is the second term and the third term. Thus it becomes equal to 2. In this manner the series goes on. So let's see the Fibonacci series program in Java using for loop. So here I have created a class named Fibonacci. Now let's import the scanner class. So next we'll create the object of the scanner class. So in this we will take the input, that is n. So declare the variable n. Now this n is the number of terms we want to display in the output. So let's take the value as now we have taken the value of n from the user. Now let's initialize the terms of our series. So the first term will be t1 0, the second term t2 will be 1, and the third term we will update in our for loop. Now let's print it. Remember, we are using system.out.print and not println to avoid the new line, as we want the sequence to be printed in a single line. So this we have printed the first two terms with some of the extra part for better readability. Now we will start our for loop. Remember, the for loop will start from 2, as the first two terms have already been printed. So we will start from the third term, that is, and the indexing starts with 0, so I is equals to 2. Now we'll update the third term, that will be equal to t1 plus t2. We will print this. And now we will change the values of first and the second term for our third term. So the t1 will become t2 and t2 will become t3. Now we are done with our code. Let's run it. Let's give the value as 10. So we can see the Fibonacci series for first 10 terms is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34. So we have successfully run our code. Thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts regarding this video, post it in the comment section. Thank you.